in a painting called Salad Symphony. Paper doll with lettuce in her bed. She munches greens so carelessly. Adventure in her veggie spread. Cabbage clouds and kale for days, living bright in her leafy maze. Sunlight dances through her rays, in her world of green displays. Oh, Salad Symphony, where flavors run free. A paper doll lives gleefully in a world of green decree. With a splash of dressing dreams, she wanders streams of spinach beans, hopping on those broccoli seams, never-ending leafy schemes. Radish roads and carrot stars, every leaf tells who they are. Vibrant hues in salad jars, adventures near and far. In her can of painted green, she's the happiest ever seen. Crunching through her leafy scene, living out her salad dream. Clouds and kale for days, living bright in her leafy maze. Sunlight dances through her rays, in her world of green display.
Bye-bye.